In today's competitive business landscape, driving sales and increasing conversions are top priorities for any organization. However, traditional marketing methods often fall short in achieving these goals. That's where email marketing automation with artificial intelligence (AI) comes into play. This powerful combination has revolutionized the way businesses approach their sales strategies, enabling them to supercharge their efforts and achieve unprecedented results. Are you struggling to drive sales and convert leads? Do you find it challenging to engage your audience effectively? If so, you're not alone. Many businesses face these same obstacles when trying to grow their customer base and boost revenue. But fear not. Email marketing automation with AI can provide the solution you've been searching for. What exactly can you expect from implementing this cutting-edge technology into your sales strategy? Let's explore the unique benefits that await. Personalization at scale. One of the key advantages of email marketing automation with AI is its ability to personalize communication on a large scale. By leveraging AI algorithms, businesses can analyze data about each individual recipient and tailor messages accordingly. This personal touch creates a sense of connection between your brand and customers, significantly enhancing engagement rates. Enhanced customer experience. With email marketing automation powered by AI, you can deliver highly relevant content based on each customer's preferences and behaviors. By understanding their needs better than ever before, you'll be able to provide a seamless experience that keeps them coming back for more. Increased efficiency. Gone are the days of manually sending out emails one by one or spending hours crafting personalized messages for every lead in your database. With automated workflows driven by AI technology, campaigns are executed seamlessly without requiring constant human intervention, saving time while maximizing productivity. Improved lead nurturing. Email marketing automation allows businesses to nurture leads throughout the entire customer journey effortlessly. By setting up targeted email sequences triggered by specific actions or behaviors, you can guide prospects through the sales funnel with personalized content that speaks directly to their needs and pain points. Advanced segmentation. Segmentation is crucial for effective marketing campaigns, as it ensures that the right message reaches the right audience at the right time. AI-powered automation takes segmentation to a whole new level by analyzing vast amounts of data and creating highly refined customer segments based on various factors such as demographics, purchase history, and engagement levels. Predictive analytics. AI-driven email marketing automation enables businesses to leverage predictive analytics, giving them valuable insights into future customer behavior. By analyzing past interactions and patterns, AI algorithms can accurately predict which leads are most likely to convert or churn, empowering you to take proactive measures and optimize your sales strategy accordingly. Real-time optimization. With AI technology constantly monitoring campaign performance in real time, businesses can quickly identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions on the fly. This agility allows for continuous optimization of email content, subject lines, send times, and more, all aimed at maximizing conversions. In conclusion, email marketing automation with AI has emerged as a game changer in driving sales and revolutionizing conversions. By leveraging personalization at scale, enhancing the customer experience, increasing efficiency through automated workflows, improving lead nurturing strategies with targeted sequences, implementing advanced segmentation techniques, utilizing predictive analytics insights, and optimizing campaigns in real time, businesses can supercharge their sales efforts like never before. Don't let your competitors get ahead. Embrace this powerful technology today. Start harnessing the full potential of email marketing automation with AI to skyrocket your conversions and achieve unprecedented success in your business endeavors.